This hanging wall jewelry cabinet features a wide mirror and ample storage, making it a practical and elegant addition to any bathroom. Designed to be door-mounted, this organizer saves space while providing easy access to your jewelry and accessories, keeping them neatly arranged and within reach. The versatile design of this jewelry cabinet makes it suitable for various spaces, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal in your home. Introducing our multifunctional rotatable mirrored storage wooden floor stand mirror with jewelry cabinet. This elegant piece adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom vanity setup. The mirror rotates effortlessly, providing you with a full 360-degree view. It's perfect for getting ready, ensuring you look your best from every angle. Beyond its beauty, this mirror features a hidden jewelry cabinet, offering ample storage space to keep your precious accessories neatly organized and easily accessible.